Hey everyone, Sean here from Sean's RC Adventures. I got this package in today. I did go ahead and open this portion of it. This is courtesy of Dinali Underground. I would like to just say thank you very much, Dinali, for your kind generosity to the RC community. And I'd like to say thank you to StevoD for a great birthday live talk. If it wasn't for StevoD having the talk and Dinali donating this, I don't think I actually would have had my hands on this rig. So again, thank you very much. This is a picture of the Mercedes AMG C-Coupe. It does have full-time four-wheel drive, fits most popular car bodies, full set of ball bearings, high-tech and racing rubber tires, front and rear, differential gearbox, independent double wishbone suspensions, oil-filled shock dampers, adjustable position, adjustable chamber front and rear, adjustable toe angle. And this is a picture of the actual chassis, sort of the same stuff over again. Carisma's M40S. So let's go ahead and we'll open this out of the box. So I did go ahead and pre-open the other two boxes, but as you can see, I have not opened this box. So we will get to see what is actually in this box together, well, ourselves. Okay. Like a lot of parts. The wheels, the tires actually feel pretty nice. They're actually rubber tires. I like the look of them 10-spoke rims. It actually has the motor. Looks like some mounts. It has a clear body, which I will come up with a color scheme for. It'll probably be some sort of gray or silver. I know the box art is white, but a lot of these Mercedes are actually gray and silver. We have the springs, the shocks, the chassis, the A-arms, the parts tree. Looks like flares and lights, rear spoiler, the spur gear, all the ball bearing kits. Oh, so the bearings, it actually has metal bearings, which is pretty cool. Let me see what else we have here. Oh, that's all our CV joints with more metal bearings. Our axles. Looks like a nice fun kit we're going to have to put together. This is actually the center drive shaft. I don't know what they are at the moment. Some keys. That looks like the front spoiler, some body clips. Let me just put this stuff down for a second. A lot of decals. Yes, winner. Look, the decals are actually pre-cut. Nice, Carisma. Maybe you need to teach other companies a lesson, because there's a lot of decals, but they are all pre-cut. Some masking, some Carisma stickers, the instruction manual, and then I guess this is a parts tree, which is pretty cool that they give you for all the actual parts for the body. So when you're putting the body together, it's pretty cool. Alright, again, I would like to just thank Dinali Underground and StevoD. Hope you have a good one.